Ko Manawaru te maunga, ko te ara i te awa, ko Ruapani rongo whakaata Ngāti Pura o Kuiwi, ngai tāwhiri ngai te kite ngā hapu, Auaha ko te marae, ko Tama Waipara tōku ingoa. Each bag packed. I suppose music and art has always been part of our whole whānau life, really. I think it wasn't until I went to university that I realised how much more work I had to do to sort of stay at a high level of competency. I got to the end of an undergrad Bachelor of Music, did an honours year. I auditioned for Manhattan School of Music. The teachers I had there, they embraced that diversity. That's kind of what led me down the path of becoming a songwriter. When I did my first EP, which was Leaving Paradise, which was a Te Waka Toi supported EP. Leaving paradise, leaving paradise, leaving paradise. That really felt like my first album. It was the result of actually taking time to consider, well, what do you think? And what do you want to say? 2007, when I first moved home, I started working at Auckland Arts Festival. And then the Rugby World Cup rolled around and I got the opportunity to program bands and music on the Queen's Wharf. It was then, I think, that the bug bit for being involved in festivals. And then shortly after that, about the next year in fact, is when I started working at Auckland Arts Festival with Carla Van Zon and Mark Burlace and Delina Wihipehana and Marama Lloyd and then was there for a good 7-8 years. And so that led me home and I could see an opportunity to really create something that actually positioned our voice in the land in a much stronger way through the arts, because I think the arts have that capacity to allow people to hear and see and feel in a way that conversations don't or policies don't. And so when we were building Te Tairāwhiti Arts Festival, you know, with Mere Boynton, with my other colleagues, Glenys, it was very purposeful that it be about this place and these people. And that never ever meant no one else. It just meant let's be certain in ourselves so that we can embrace others. We have a role in the arts around how well we tell our story, and not just the literal, but actually how are we connecting with people and in what way and to what end. Ko te tiriti o Waitangi hei kaupapa, whakatō whenua, whakatō